So here we are today at the Brother International Australia Conference. There is a lot of energy in the room. What you're seeing, it's not one event, it's 10 events taking place at once. The team have a challenge. They've got to pack and prepare 768 of our Supertee care packs ready for delivery. We're a small team, we're unable to do it ourselves, so we rely on the volunteer support companies like Brother offer, where we can utilize their staff, the hands on deck, to pack hundreds of these, so we're able to get these out to the children in hospitals around the country that need it.
I really enjoyed doing delivery to the hospitals and actually seeing the other side and seeing the actual results that it actually provides.
So I think it's much more meaningful than just, a charity donation, when we actually get to really connect and partner with that charity and do something that really is meaningful on the ground.
We really believe in Supertee and what it stands for. We hope to support each other and grow together.